So friends, your homework is to do an exciting graph, graphing the traits, the genetic traits that we tested in class the other day, and see what percentage of the individuals have these traits. So there's 36 people totally did this. And so for example, if you had the detached earlobes or the free earlobes, you said yes or no, and it turned out that 25 people out of 36 in the class had detached earlobes. And remember, percentage, you've done this before. It's, part divided by a whole and base out of 100. So how do you actually do that? Well, let's go through one of them here, in case you forgot. So 25 out of 36 is, you just ballpark it, that's more than 50% clearly. And the way you set it up is you say 25 divided by 36 times 100. And you can just crank it out in the calculator, that works. You can do it longhand, that works. But don't forget that if you have a spreadsheet, you can do formulas. And here is what that formula might look like. Remember, you put in an equal sign that tells the computer that you're doing a formula. It could type in 25 divided by, and that's a slash, 36 times, which is an asterisk, which is shift upper 8, times 100. And when you do that, any way you do it, it's going to end up at about 69.4%. Now, another way to do that with the formulas is to, let's say I want to start my graphing here, and this will be on the independent variable sorts, so that's good. So if I put anchor it right here to this cell, this is where I want my percentage to go. I put in my equal sign, and remember it's 25, and so there's my 25, and all I have to do is click on it. It says F27, which is in that cell, divided by, and by the total, 36, and then the shift 8 asterisk 100, and when I hit return, I get 69.4444. So I can clean it up a little bit and change the decimal point so it's not so many crazy ones. There we go. Oop, wrong one. What am I doing here? There we go. Clicking it back just down to tenths. And I can also justify it to center, which it already is there. So I get it 69.4. But remember, the cool thing about this is that if I highlight the cell in the little square there, if I drag it down, lo and behold, it does all my calculations for me, which is clearly a lot easier than doing it another way, as with calculators, etc. And done. Now it's just a matter of highlighting and picking the appropriate graph, which may be that, maybe not, but I'll let you guys figure that one out.